Hi, are you looking for a pergola that perfectly fits your space? Meet the RUBIO model. Whether you have a cozy 3x3 meter terrace, the popular 3x4, or a large relaxation zone of 4x4 or even 6x4 meters, RUBIO offers dimensions tailored to your needs. This model redefines luxury. It is made of extruded aluminum with a powder-coated Akzo Nobel finish. What impresses most is its minimalist, flat design and the total absence of visible screws or connectors. All mechanisms are discreetly hidden inside the profiles. RUBIO is a powerful structure. It rests on massive posts with a 116 by 116 millimeter cross-section, which, combined with solid mounting feet, guarantees stability even in very strong winds. The quality of this model is confirmed by prestigious TUV and Intertech certificates, a guarantee of safety for years to come. The heart of the pergola is its aluminum roof louvers, which you can rotate up to 135 degrees. With RUBIO, we focus on technology. The electric drive allows you to control the roof via remote, and the integrated gutter system, hidden inside the structure, quickly drains water during rain. In the evenings, RUBIO transforms into a magical place thanks to its factory-ready LED lighting compatibility. You can also expand it with screen blinds, glass sliding panels, or stylish side shutters, creating a fully private, year-round outdoor living room. Available in wall-mounted and freestanding versions in several trendy frame colors. If you are looking for uncompromising quality and modern design, the RUBIO model is just for you. Create your dream sanctuary today. We begin the installation by equipping the pergola supports. First, screw on the bases. Each is fitted with special cover caps that hide the mounting hardware, ensuring a clean look. Prepare all supports in exactly the same way. The next step is to create the so-called pergola frame. After bolting the first one together, we move on to installing the power supply unit. Since our pergola features an electric drive, the power supply is placed inside the profile, protecting it from external conditions and keeping it out of sight. Next, assemble the second frame by connecting the supports to the cross beam. Connect both completed frames using the short crossbeam. Note the drainage system. There is a gutter inside the cross profiles along the entire perimeter. Water is effectively drained through the inside of the supports directly to the ground. With the structure stable, we can move to the optional lighting installation. The set includes dedicated LED strips that fit perfectly into the contour of the crossbeams. Installation is intuitive. Simply clip them on and connect. The RGB lighting offers various colors, all conveniently controlled by a remote. Hide the wires in special installation recesses and cover the remaining openings with aesthetic plugs. Now for the heart of the pergola, the louvers. Screw a guide screw into each element, then place them one by one onto the cross profiles. Once the louvers are in place, install the drive linkage. It connects all louvers into a single mechanism using the pre-installed screws. To complete the drive installation, open the inspection hatch. This is where the power supply for both the louvers and the lighting is located. Connect the actuator to the pin of the first louver. The drive motor itself is completely hidden within the cross profile. After connecting the wires, close the opening with the inspection cover. Finally, connect the pergola to the power source. Remember that each support must be firmly secured to the ground using the standard mounting anchors included in the kit. Your pergola is ready. You can further upgrade it with external blinds, reflexols, screens, shutters, or sliding glass walls. Visit shopsun.eu for more inspiration and details.